Dive right into a world of mathematics where numbers, variables, and equations dance together, weaving patterns that hold the universe together. Ever wonder what happens when the polynomial x3 plus 4.2, 3x plus 8 is divided by x5? What would be the remainder? Let's embark on a journey to unveil the answer. Polynomial division, much like long division, has its own set of rules. Picture a stage where the main performers are the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. Think of the dividend as the polynomial x3 plus 4.2, 3x plus 8, while the divisor takes on the role of x5. The quotient, you ask? Well, the quotient is what we get when the dividend gives its best performance divided by the divisor. Begin by dividing the first term of the dividend, that is x3, by the first term of the divisor, which is x. This gives you x2. This x2 is the first term of your quotient. Next, multiply the divisor, x5, by the first term of the quotient, x2. The result is x3 to 5i2. Now, subtract this from the original dividend. The xi3 terms cancel each other out, leaving you with 9x2, 3x plus 8. Repeat this process. Divide the first term of the new dividend, 9k2, by the first term of the divisor, x, to get 9x. This becomes the next term of the quotient. Multiply the divisor by the new term of the quotient, 9x, to get 9 times 2, 45x. Subtract this from the current dividend to get 42x plus 8. Continue with the process. Divide 42x by x to get 42, the next term of the quotient. Multiply the divisor by 42 to get 42x, 210. Subtract this from the current dividend to get 218. Since 218 is a constant and our divisor is a linear term, we cannot continue the division process. This constant, 218, stands as the remainder of the division. So, when the polynomial x3 plus 4.2, 3x plus 8 is divided by x5, the remainder is 218. In short, polynomial division is a systematic process of dividing, multiplying, and subtracting. It's an elegant dance of numbers and variables, leading to a final remainder that completes the performance. It's not just about finding an answer, but about appreciating the mathematical symphony that unfolds during the process. This journey of polynomial division, like many mathematical adventures, ends with a solution. But remember, every solution is a new beginning, a stepping stone to another mathematical mystery waiting to be unraveled. Today, we've unraveled one such mystery and found that the remainder of the given polynomial division is 218. Until the next mystery, keep exploring